My name's Nick Aldis. I'm a two-time NWA World Heavyweight Champion, pro wrestling. I always had a vision in my mind of who I wanted to be as an adult, and from a young age I just started working toward that vision. When I looked at pro wrestling, it was something that encapsulated all of the things that I wanted to be in one. I think it was just athletic, sort of commanding physical presence, someone who was respected, and it was that theatrics. It was the ability to generate emotion from people was what I really got a kick out of. That was the balance, right? Like as a wrestler, you have to take care of yourself, you have to live a healthy lifestyle, you have to take care of your body because it's your moneymaker, but you're also an entertainer. What I started to notice was that when I'm in the ring and you're sweaty and the action is going and your hair gets messed up, I would see these images after the fact or watch playback and I would go, I look older than I am. And that was a problem for me, not from a vanity point of view, more from a career point of view, because I was looking at it and thinking, well, I'm still young, I'm sort of reaching my prime here, but I look like I'm past my prime. That's when I made the decision that maybe I ought to do something about this, because I'm self-conscious about my hair and I don't like that. I'm doing all this work on every other element and then this is letting me down, you know? The underlying part of it is not just how it affects how you look on the surface. It's also about what it does to your personality. Because if you have an inherent sort of insecurity about something, at some point it's going to manifest itself in the way you behave, in the way you carry yourself, in the way you communicate with people, and ultimately that's not going to lead to anything good. Irrespective of professional wrestling or the entertainment world, there's no place for insecurity if you want to be successful, period. So for me, I think that was the final thing that got me over the hump to make the decision and have the procedure, because I thought it's not only going to improve the way I look, but it's also going to improve my personality, because I'm going to be less self-conscious about my hair. So now I'm going to be less insecure, because insecurity is, to me, is the sort of basis of a lot of negative character traits. I looked at it as an investment in myself because I felt like the benefits, you know, long-term would far outweigh the cost of the procedure, which is not that much, you know, in the grand scheme of things anyway. I see the difference and I go, okay, that was worth it. That looks more like a guy in his 30s, you know, and that was the most important thing to me. There's a reason why the top entertainers in the area come here. There's a reason why I came here. They do the best work. When you do a thing like this, the last thing you want is any uncertainty. I would never have gone into a procedure like this if I had any sort of doubts. Especially me, doing what I do, like for me to put my trust in somebody to mess with my hair, it's like I had to really fully trust those people, and I absolutely did. Very happy with the results. Ultimately, it's your choice. Like if you want to get your hair back and feel better about that, then do it. It's really worth it.